Hi all, today we will do questions 5, 6 and 7 from exercise 4a. So we will start with the first question, that is question number 5. If a minus b equal to 0.9 and ab equal to 0.36, find the value of both a plus b and a square minus b square. See the question, we will do with the first question. First one is we have to find the value of a plus b. So we'll start with the first one, that is we have to find the value of a plus b. And given that a minus b is 0.9 and ab is 0.36. See, we have to find a plus b and the value of a minus b is known to us and ab is also known to us. So we will use the formula which have both a minus b and a plus b. So it will be easy for us to find. So by formula we know that a plus b the whole square equal a minus b the whole square plus 4ab. You know why we use this formula? Because a minus b is given to us. We know the value of a minus b and ab is also there. But we have to find a plus b. See, only a plus b is unknown here and a minus b and ab is known. That is why we use this formula in this question. Now, we will solve for a plus b now. See, a plus b the whole square equals, substitute the values now. What is a minus b? A minus b is already given, that is 0.9 the whole square plus 4ab. ab is 0.36, right? So, we will calculate the value, that is 0.9 the whole square is 0.81 plus 4 into 0.36, and we calculate, we will get it is 1.44. Okay, so this equals 2.25. Okay, so we have got a plus b the whole square as 2.25. So what is a plus b? If a plus b the whole square equal 2.25, a plus b equals square root of 2.25, right? And we know the square root of 2.25 is plus or minus 1.5. So the value of a plus b equals plus or minus 1.5. Now the second question is you have to find a square minus b square. So second one we have to find a square minus b square. Now again we have a plus b. What is the value of a plus b? We already know that a plus b equal to plus or minus 1.5, and we know that a minus b also. A minus b is, what is it? A minus b is given, right? It is 0.9. See children, now we have a plus b and a minus b, and we know that a square minus b square, the identity we can write it as a square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b, right? And a plus b is always already given, a minus b is already given. So now just substitute the values. A plus b equal to plus or minus 1.5 into, what is a minus b? It is 0.9. Now multiply both, you will get 1.35. Plus or minus is also there, right? Don't forget this plus or minus. So the final answer will be plus or minus 1.35. Alright. Now we'll go to question number 6. Question is, if a minus b equal to 4 and a plus b equal to 6, find the value of both a square plus b square and ab. We have to find what is a square plus b square and ab. See, we have given that a minus b value is given and a plus b is also given. So, if the question asks for a square minus b square, it was easy for us. It is a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. But here the question asked is not a square minus b square, but it is a square plus b square. So we'll see how to solve it. Okay. Now it is, we know the equation a square minus b square. What is that? A square minus b square, that is a square minus, a minus b the whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Correct? Now what is a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Right? We will give this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So what we want in our equation is, we want a square plus b square, because we are asked to find a square plus b square. Now we are trying to get an equation where we have a square plus b square. So what we will do, we can now add equation 1 plus equation 2. What will be the answer if I add this first equation and second equation? It will be a minus b the whole square plus a plus b the whole square. So, right, what we have done is we have added both the LHS first. That is a minus b the whole square plus a plus b the whole square equal. Now you add the right hand side data. That is a square is there, a square. That is a square plus a square, 2a square. Now minus 2ab plus 2ab is there. So what is minus 2ab plus 2ab? That will be 0, right? Plus 0 is there. Now again b square plus b square is there. So b square plus b square is 2b square. Okay. Now we have a minus b the whole square plus a plus b the whole square equal. You take 2 outside. From both this term you take 2 outside. We have a square plus b square left. Right? No doubt, right? We have taken 2 outside. So what is remaining inside? We have a square plus b square. Now we will exchange the side. We will bring LHS and RHS. We will exchange for easy calculation, because we want a square plus b square, right? So 2 into a square plus b square equal a minus b the whole square plus a plus b the whole square. We haven't done anything in this step. We have just exchanged RHS. We have brought to LHS. We have taken this the other side. That is it. Okay. Now substitute the value. Okay. Now given that, what is the value of a plus b? We know that given a plus b equal to 6 and a minus b equal to 4. Now we substitute the values here. So we have 2 into a square plus b square equals, substitute here, instead of a minus b we have 4, right? So 4 square plus, now instead of a plus b substitute the value of a plus b, that is 6. So 6 square. So that is 16 plus 36. What is 16 plus 36? 6 plus 6 is 52, right? So we have 2 into a square plus b square equals 52. So what is the value of a square plus b square? That is a square plus b square equal 52 by 2. That is 26. So this is the answer. So we have got value of a square plus b square as 26. Alright. Now we have to find AB. So the second question was to find AB, right? So now AB is easy, because you can use any of the equation, either using a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. We will use first here a plus b the whole square. You can use a minus b the whole square also. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Now given that, now we know the value of a plus b. What is a plus b? It was given as 6, right? Now we know that a square plus b square also we know. What is a square plus b square? We have already found it as 26. Now simply you substitute these values in the above equation. So a plus b, instead of a plus b we have 6 square equal. Now we have a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So again 6 square equal to a square plus b square, we know the value is, it is 26. So substitute a square, instead of a square plus b square give 26 plus 2ab. Now we have 36. 36 square is 36 minus 26 equal 26. We have got the other side, so it will be minus 26 equal 2ab. So what is 2ab? 2ab equal 36 minus 26. It is 10. So ab equals 10 by 2, that is 5. So the answer is ab equal 5. Alright. So we have got the solution, that is a square plus b square, we have got it as 26 and ab, the answer is 5. Now we will solve question number 7. If a plus 1 by equal to 6 and a not equal to 0, find the value of a minus 1 by a and a square minus 1 by a square. So go to the first one, that is a minus 1 by a is what we have to find. See, given that a plus 1 by a equal to 6 and a minus 1 by a is what we have to find. Now see here, see it is in the form a plus b, right? And here see if it can be in the form a minus b. If a plus b is given, I have to find a minus b, where I can take a as a itself and b as 1 by a. Now in such cases where a plus b is given and you have to find a minus b, or the opposite, when a minus b is given and a plus b you have to find, remember this equation, that is a minus b the whole square equal a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. See here we have both a minus b and a plus b in the equation. So it will be easy for you to solve such problems. Okay. So not this derived identity. Now we will go to the problem. Now you substitute the values. We have a as a minus b. Instead of b, what we have? 1 by a. 1 by a the whole square equals a plus b. A is a itself. Instead of b, it is 1 by a the whole square minus 4 into a is a itself, b is 1 by a. Now a and a will get cancelled. We have a minus 1 by a the whole square equal a plus 1 by a, we know the value, right? A plus 1 by a equal to 6. Now we substitute the value of a plus 1 by a, give it as 6. 6 square minus 4, which equals 36 minus 4, which equals 32, right? So we have a minus 1 by a the whole square equals a minus 1 by a whole square equals 32. So what is the value of a minus 1 by a? That is square root of 32, that equals plus or minus, give here plus or minus, right? Plus or minus 32. 32 I can write it as 16 into 2, right? So you take root of 16 is 4. So you take 4 outside, it will be 4 root 2. So your answer is a minus 1 by equal to plus or minus 4 root 2. Okay. Now the second one is, the second question which you have to find is a square minus 1 by a square, right? This is what you have to find in the second part. So given that, now we know the value of a plus 1 by a equals 6 and a minus 1 by a also we know, we have already found it as plus or minus 4 root 2, right? Now we know the equation a square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b, correct? Now we have a square plus a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So what is a here? A itself, b minus 1 by a whole square equals a plus b is 1 by a into a minus, instead of b we have 1 by a. So that is a square minus 1 by a square equals, substitute the values, a plus 1 by a we have 6 into a minus 1 by a we have plus or minus 4 root 2, right? So we have it as a square minus 1 by a square equals 6 into 4 root 2, that we have 4 and 6 into 4 is 24. So keep plus or minus outside. 6 into 4 we have 24 root 2. That is a square minus 1 by a square equals plus or minus 24 root 2.